Well, hello there. My name is Otto. I'm a car mechanic. I repair cars that don't work well and make them good as new. Do you like to fix things? Tap the items on the screen to know more about the tools that I use. Toolbox. This is a box that contains all my tools. Nuts and bolts. These are used to fasten and hold mechanical parts together. Spanners. I use them to tighten nuts and bolts. Jumper cables. I use these to start a car when its battery is not working. Screwdrivers. I use these to turn screws to fix them or to remove them from mechanical parts. Car jack. This is used to lift a car when its tire needs to be changed. Overalls. I wear these to protect my clothes from grease and dirt while I'm working. Can you help me finish up the work on these cars before my customers come for them? Drag the matching wheel. Super! Now paint the car according. Here's another one. Perfect! You're a pro. My customers are gonna be so delighted.
Hi, my name is Officer Holly. I'm a police officer. I protect people and catch criminals who break the law. Do you like to catch burglars? Tap the items on the screen to know more about the things that I use. Police car. It is a vehicle in which I chase criminals and patrol the town. Walkie-talkie. I use it to talk to other police officers or the police station. Flashlight. I use it to see clearly in the dark. Badge. I wear this so people can know I'm from the police department. Handcuffs. I put these on a criminal's hands so they can't escape. Notepad. I use it to record details and make notes. Can you help me to complete the face of the criminal? I'll describe each feature, and you tap the right one from the 3 options. Ready? The criminal has black hair. He has brown eyes. You're doing great! The guy has a long nose. He had a tooth sticking out of his mouth. That's not right. That's not right. You're doing great. The criminal also had long ears. You did it, Chief. You helped us catch him.